Hello, today we're going to learn one of the most challenging excerpts I've ever learned when I was auditioning for symphony orchestra job. Let's start with descending chromatic scale first. It's on the third line. We'll start from F sharp. Now, what my suggestion to you is that work multiple times on each group. You need to hear the pitch and have muscle memory at the same time, okay? I will repeat each group twice, okay? So let's try that way. F natural one, then the E one. Now pay attention to the half step and the whole step, okay? Move on, which is on the second page, F sharp, but this time it's ascending scale, chromatic scale. Start F sharp. Now it goes to the G. G sharp. Last one, A natural. Highly recommended that using some kind of a tuning app. It will help you to establish the beginning of each group. We're going to try to learn the entire piece now at a very slow pace, 70 per BPM. Start in the middle part of the bow. Version, we need to play off the string at least the first half till the double forte you might consider to play more on the string. Okay, so let's give a try to play with spiccato. 132 per BPM. Okay, we'll give a try. In mind, make sure you accent on the ones marked with accent and not to rush. That's the key point to make this excerpt sounds much more rhythmical. Okay.